For a small amount of money, you can get yourself started with any one of these businesses. Or you can just do it for your own fun at your own home. Today we're going to see some of these machines that you can buy on AliExpress. Some of these have free shipping, but some of these you have to pay for it, so we'll just go one by one. So yeah, let's just start with it. Can be used to work with a variety of materials in small-scale modeling and repair environments. Its high disk speed and compact size make it ideal for precise and fast cutting, while the vacuum cleaner connection ensures a clean work area. I just love this one. Discs for different materials are included, as you can see from this picture right here, and it allows the tool to be adapted to different tasks. Next one, at only $33, the Mini Lathe is the perfect start for those who want to learn turning by creating wooden jewelry or miniature objects. It comes with everything you need to get started. This compact machine is great for small jobs, allowing beginners to familiarize themselves with the process and basic principles of turning. You can use it to create unique decorative items and develop your woodworking skills. Still, to work with small parts, you will need a mini grinder machine, costing only $21. It allows you to sand finished products, sharpen tools, and perform other tasks related to the processing of various materials. This compact and functional machine will be useful to both professional and beginners in woodworking. And yeah, it's not expensive and it can be fun. I tried this one. For those who are just starting their journey in jewelry making, Vivor offers a professional machine. This one comes with more than 100 attachments to perform any operation. With 7-day free shipping and a cost of only like $50, this machine makes it an incredibly attractive option for aspiring jewelry makers. By mastering the skills on this machine, you will be able to create unique and one-of-a-kind jewelry, bringing your wildest ideas to life. In some of my previous videos, I talked about the idea of ice cups and beverage bags, and with this cup sealing machine, you can do just that. This machine from Vivor, once more, allows you to sell up to 500 cups per hour. The heavy-duty and durable carbon steel construction provides commercial-grade reliability, protecting the product from corrosion and rust. The rubberized feet provide great rigidity and stability. This machine will also come in handy for small cafes that sell takeaway drinks. It's pretty handy, and as you can see, it's less than $150. These are Australian dollars, but you can do the math. The smart oil press machine with built-in heater and powerful motor is an ideal solution for efficient and fast production. It ensures high-quality pressing and allows you to get the maximum amount of oil from the raw material, whatever it is. Thanks to automatic temperature control, you can easily control the pressing process and get oil with specified characteristics. The price of such a miracle is only $200. And also, you get these recommendations for the temperature. An ultrafine flour milling machine for grinding flour from different types of grains such as wheat, soybean, corn, and rice with dry and wet milling capabilities. Equipped with a 1500 watts motor, provides high efficiency and quality of milling. It is ideal for the production of flour for baking, pasta, and other food products requiring high flour quality. This one is only $100, and the shipping is free, as you can see right here. For packaging products such as flour or other fine products, Zonason's stainless steel semi-automatic packaging machine is the optimal solution. By utilizing microcomputer, this machine provides high precision and high-speed packaging, which greatly increases the overall productivity. In addition, the stainless steel from which the machine is made ensures its reliability and durability, which is important for any business. All these factors make this packaging machine an excellent choice for food processing companies. The manual jar filling machine for thick liquids such as honey is another example of ultra-budget production, and you can do this right from your home. You can fill jars with cream, shampoo, honey. Just add your brand name on them and just start making money. If your budget is even more limited, you can just buy a liquid filling machine even cheaper. There's a lot of these that you can find on AliExpress, and for a small amount, you can purchase a semi-automatic machine with a single nozzle. A great opportunity to start a business from scratch. Perfume capping tongs are an important tool for any business related to the production or sale of perfumes. They provide a secure fixation of the bottle cap, which prevents leakage of perfume and preserves its flavor. The ergonomic design of the tongs facilitates the capping process, and high-quality materials guarantee their durability and reliability. Semi-automatic labeling machine for round surfaces, such as bottles and vials, is an essential equipment for companies producing and selling packaged goods. This machine can quickly and accurately apply labels to various types of bottles and vials, providing a high degree of automation and production efficiency. In addition, this machine has the ability to adjust the speed of the label belt, allowing it to adapt to different sizes and shapes of the bottles. Horizontal automatic food plastic bag packer is a modern and efficient equipment designed for packaging food products into plastic bags. You can even add up this vacuum sealer thing, which will just preserve the freshness of it. This bagger provides high speed and accuracy of packaging and is capable of handling different types of products and bag sizes. Due to its compactness and ease of use, the horizontal automatic bagger is ideal for small and medium-sized food processing and catering companies. The manual U-shaped sausage trimming machine is a simple and handy tool for trimming the ends of sausage loaves and shaping them into neat shapes. This machine consists of two U-shaped parts, between which the sausage loaf is clamped. By means of manual mechanism, the user can adjust the opening width of the U-shaped parts, which allows the machine to be used to work with sausage products of different sizes. The manual U-shaped machine is ideal for use in the home as well as small sausage production facilities. Portable Electromagnetic machine for sealing bottles with aluminum foil caps is a compact and easy-to-use equipment designed for hermetically sealed packaging of products in bottles. The machine works on the basis of electromagnetic induction, which creates the thermal energy needed to seal the cap. The machine is capable of handling bottles of various sizes and shapes, as well as caps made of different materials. It is ideal for food processing plants, medical products, and other areas where reliable product packaging is required. A code printing machine is a machine that allows you to print expiration date, lot number, and other information on product packaging. The machine can work with different types of materials such as paper, plastic, metal, and others. It is equipped with a printer that prints information on the package with high accuracy and quality. The machine also has the ability to customize the printing parameters, which allows you to create different types of codes depending on your needs. There's also such a machine for printing codes on bottles. It works in semi-automatic mode. There's also an ultra-portable printer, which also allows you to print QR codes and other information in one motion in addition to all of the above. An automatic dough rolling machine for dumplings and other similar dishes is a piece of equipment designed to automate the dough making process. The machine allows you to get dough of uniform thickness and size, which ensures high quality products. It also shortens the dough preparation time and reduces waste. And with an electronic dumpling maker in semi-automatic mode, you can produce dumplings right in your kitchen. These and more you can all find on AliExpress. The shipping sometimes is expensive, and the waiting times, they can be long. But once you find the perfect one for yourself, you can make yourself a side hustle out of this really easily. So, wish you good luck, and I'll catch you next time.